Hello, Mr. Eric, are you alright?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are going to talk about cipher. You know what this means, cipher? What does this mean? This word, C-I-P-H-E-R.
Then I.
Cipher is cipher. What's cipher? It's a disguised way of writing something in secret. Okay?
Huh?
Do you understand? For example, like
Okay.
if I want to tell you a message, right? And this message can only be understood by you and me. Got it? Okay, so
Huh?
look, if Daddy wants to write something to Eric, right? A message. I want to say hello, but I don't want other people to understand. Right? So you and me come up with the way to transform this message into something so other people cannot easily understand. It's like a secret language between you and Daddy. How about if I tell you A, B, C, D to Z, right? And then A transform to N, or N, trans to N. B, O, and M, N, O, P, Q, right? Actually, this here is to M, okay? And lowercase is M is to what? The Z. So here 13 characters. You know we know it's 26 in alphabet, right? Yeah? 26 characters. So now here A to M is 13. N to Z is 13. Right? If I tell you I want to convert a message from A to N, B to O. So hello, C, D, E, F. So
How about O?
sorry, O, yeah, O to B. So A to N is two-way, okay? It's two-way. Good question, okay? Got it? So every time you want to write the A, you write N. Every time you want to write N, you write the A. Got it? So this hello will become U what? Let me check. It will become what? Hello will become what? U-R-Y-Y-B. U-R-Y-Y-B. Okay? So, yeah, if I look, Ryan, we're talking about cipher. Okay. What's cipher? Cipher is a disguised way of writing something in secret. So, for example, if I want to tell you the message, Eric or Ryan, I want to tell you hello, right? But I don't want other people to easily understand this language. So I tell you, okay, how about I have a mapping table from A to M. If and A, every time I want to write the A, I write the N. Every time I want to write B, I write the O. And vice versa. Every time I want to write the O, I write the B. So, look, hello. Can I tell? Let's do this. Look. So look. Let's write this U-R-Y-Y-B. Okay. So it's actually let's extend this table. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, M, N, O, P. No. 13. 2, 4, 6, A, G, H, I, J, K, L. Right? 2, 4, 6, 8. M. Okay? 13. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? U. So this is like a encrypted, kind of encrypted message. So U. What's
How do
in
you say
reverse?
my name? Okay. R,
Look, U. What's U? What's U corresponds to?
H.
H. So I put H. What's R? Lowercase. Responds to
Red.
E by the lowercase.
Your
Yeah.
name is
Y.
Red.
Y. What's Y?
L.
L. Yeah. L. And what's B?
O.
B here. Oh. You see?
My name is Rev. Wait.
Okay.
Rev.
Okay. So look.
My name
Hello.
is
Yeah.
Rev.
Hello. So look. U-R-Y-Y-B. So what? If we encrypt U-R-B, it become hello. If we encrypt hello, it will become U-R-B. So what does it mean? If a message we encrypt it twice, what happened? What happened? If we do this ROT, how we call it ROT13, yeah? Because rotating 13 places, right?
What?
Yeah, 13. If we do this
My
function,
name is Rev.
Okay, so I tell you, look,
Rev.
ROT13. Let's do this. ROT13, and Eric. What does it become?
Rev. REVP.
Okay, and how about if I tell you ROT13 again? So what's the value?
The same.
ROT13. So this ERIC at ROT13 and ROT13. What does it become?
REVP.
Yeah, well done. That's what I mean. So the same message, performing the ROT13 twice, you won't be not change, right? Because look, E perform. What's the encrypted version of E? R. And what's the encrypted version of R?
E.
You see? Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah. So that's the cipher. Okay. You know what cipher is? Yeah. It only performs to the uppercase and lowercase, and all other characters like space, exclamation mark, question mark doesn't change. Okay. Only digits don't change. Only the letters, right? Uppercase and lowercase characters. Yeah. You perform this mapping. Got it? Yeah? Okay, let's write a function to do this. It should be very easy. Yeah? Remember, how do we do this? We're going to need two functions. Remember, to convert a string, convert a character into the ASCII code. Remember? Yeah? Eric? What's ASCII? Remember? What's A in ASCII code? What's 60. And what's A? Yeah, well done. A.
97.
Wow, this time we're brilliant. Okay.
Yes.
And how do we convert from A to numbers? Which function are we using?
Order.
Okay, and how about convert it back?
This
Convert it back. CH. Character.
Oh,
Character. Yeah, order character. Okay. So look, that's good. So we just, how can we do this? We want to add to 13, right? Right? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's put it in an array, A or equals a list. Yeah, we put a list, and then how can we concatenate into a final string using which function? If it's a list and we want to put it into a string, remember this function?
Join.
Well done. Okay, yeah, good job. I was going to give you two options, split and join, and you say join. Okay, well done. That's good. Okay, so now for I in S, I go through each character, right? Wait, come on. I go through each character. So for now, I need to make sure. I need to check if it's uppercase or lowercase, right? How can we check if it's uppercase? How can we check if it's lowercase? We just check. Look, if I is bigger, if it's bigger equal A, smaller equal Z, yeah? That's uppercase, yeah? Yeah? But you can also write this. If I dot, look, if I dot is upper. Okay, that's lower, uppercase. And how do you write it if it is lowercase? If I is lower. And if it's both, if it's either uppercase or lowercase, you can do this. If I is alpha. Okay? That means it's a character. It could be uppercase or lowercase. It's alpha, okay? So we can say, okay. Yeah, alpha. Okay. So if I dot is upper, okay? If it's uppercase, if it's uppercase, then what should we do? First of all, we should get the character, yeah, 65. So if it's 65, and we need to find out what's the position of it by minus 65. Yeah, it's which characters, which alphabet. In this is 65. 65 we need to map to 0. Okay, 66. This is A. This is B. We map to 1. Okay. First of all, we go get this number. We plus 13 because look, A mapping to M, right? Plus 13, but it could be more than 26. Then what do? We modulate as 26, yeah? So if it's 26, it goes back to the first one. Am I right? Does it make sense? And we get this number, then we use which function? CHR, right? To get a corresponding encrypted version, alright? Yeah? Are you sure you're clear? Yeah. For example, like look, A, 0. 0 plus 13. Modulus 26 is what? Is 13. What's 13? What's 13? 13 is n, right? And if it's n is 13. 13 plus 13, modulus 26 equals what? 26 modulus 26. 26, 0, and 0 is A. You see? So n will become A, right? That's what I mean, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so now, if I is upper, so I want to append, A dot append. Append what? CHR is upper is 65 plus order of I minus 65, right? Plus 13, right? What? Modulus 26. Yeah? Yeah? Okay? And then if L if I is lower, you do the same way, Eric. You only change one thing, which is what? You change here from here. We only change one value. If it's lowercase.
96, 97.
Yeah, you change 65 to 97, yeah? Yeah? Because minus 97 is to calculate which position in alphabet is. And plus 13 is the mapping. Yeah, because A map to N, right? And else, if it's other characters, what do we do? What do we do? We just append what? If it's other characters, we don't change. So in this case, we append which variable?
I.
Yeah. And return what? Return what? We want to convert this to the string.
Join.
Empty the join, yeah? Join A, right? That's it. Okay, got it? So this is the ROT13 cipher, okay, cipher.
Rotten.
ROT for rotation.
Rot for rotten.
Okay, ROT. Okay. Another way, look, this is not easy to understand, Eric. Look, this is not another way. Okay, how about if I write a function? I put a two variable here, okay? How about if I say ABC equals what? A, B, C, D. Yeah? To Z, okay? And then lowercase. ABC equals ABC to Z. So here, what do we do? ABC dot find. We use this find function. Find is to locate the return the index, okay? Index what? I, and then plus 13, and modulus 26, okay? Right? Alright, look. ABC, the string, we want to find this I character. If it's A, you return 0, the index, right? And plus 13 modulus 26 is the same, okay? So this string dot find something, find I returns the index, first index that this character appears in the string, right? If it doesn't find it, it returns -1, okay? Yeah, if you say A, B, C, D, E, F, G to Z, you find the question mark, right? It doesn't appear in this string, so it returns -1. And if you find A, what's the value of it? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, find A, uppercase A. What's the value?
65.
No. To find the index. Which index has the 0? Yeah, that's what I mean. So we find the index plus 13. Why do we need to modulus 26? Why do we need to modulus 26?
Cause.
Why do we need to modulus 26? Huh? Look at n. N plus n is 13, right? Plus 13 is 26. It's out of this. It's here, but we need to modulus 26 to go back to A. Got it? Yeah? If it's in the second half, we need to add 13. It's out of this boundary, and we use the modulus to go back to the first half, to mapping. So that's why we A map to N. right? B map to what? O, right? Right, look. B plus 13 is here. Eric, look. B plus 13 is O, is here. But O plus 13, where is it go? To B, yeah? How do we go to the B? O plus 13 is here, but we modulus 26, you go here, right? That's why it does. Remember? Yes? Got it?
Okay.
Okay, so let's see. So tell me one thing you understand today.
About the cipher
What's a cipher?
is a secret language.
Okay, so secret language. Okay, so can you tell me that Eric and Ryan in ROT13, and that's it.
Oh.
Eric and Ryan, okay? Eric and Ryan. What's Ryan? Do you want to? Wait, let me write the mapping. Okay, A B
C,
C
D, E, F, G, H, I. The
I,
starting of the
J,
next
K,
line is
L, M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Okay, so can you tell me Ryan in the secret language? Are you sure, Ryan? What's yeah, okay.
I'm red.
Yeah.
Elephant.
Okay, and then what? And A, yeah. This is the opposite, yeah.
Elna.
Okay.
Elna. I'm red.
Elna, rap. Okay, that's it for today. Good job today.
He's Elna. I'm red.
Okay, that's it for today. Good job.
Bye.